And I'm back with yet another package. Maybe I should change my channel to Unboxing with Lynn instead of Ant Keeping or something. This time the package is from Ilyas Insects and he actually opened up his brand new website. I do not know the website from the top of my head, but I will put it in the description. So nice card. I think he's gonna update it to also has his website on it. Probably when he's out of these. And of course, as always, the packaging. Emotional sport cow. The packaging is awesome, as always. And there it is. She's already on top. And I know what it is. Can we catch a glimpse? Ooh! She is gigantic. Normally you ship ants in... Oh, I hope my address was not visible. You ship ants in tubes. Well, she does not fit in a tube. She's covered in plastic wrapper. Let me put you down for a second so I can unwrap this real quick without shaking it too much. And there we go. Holy crap. She's mad. I mean, I would be too. Look at the size of the thing. Such a big girl. And this is a bullet ant. I'm gonna try and pronounce it. Paraponera clavata. Enormous. I think this might be the biggest ant in my collection. And we're gonna make her a setup as well. So I'll be back in a sec with you. So I apologize in advance if I'm a bit loud, because the phone is really close to my mouth right now. I have over here the bull ant setup, which is funny because she's a bullet ant and not a bull ant, but still, I think it's gonna be perfect for her because it's nice and high and she's quite big, so she doesn't really fit in one of the lower nests, I think. Only thing that I'm not sure about is if I want to use this Outworld or the Gen 4, or well, Gen 4, the bull ant one, because she likes to walk around, and this one is smaller but higher, and I've noticed she cannot really climb that well, so I'm not sure. This is like a lot smaller, but of course it fits better in my fifth, so I'm not sure what to do. I think I'm gonna build it anyway. So let's get this guy out of the way. I need a bigger desk at some point. Or a dedicated ant area. Because this is a bit small. And sorry if things go out of frame because I'm not used to record like this. So you can also put me on faster speed because this is gonna take a while. And for those curious how building an Outworld like this works, you can now finally watch me do it, I guess. You know those Pringles caps? They are excellent for holding your screws. Probably have some people yelling in the background that I'm scratching my acrylic, but I do not care about my acrylic, which I might regret at a later date. I always put these with a dot above, so I can know, I can see faster that these are for the corners and these are for the walls and shit. stuff, whatever. And I like to start with this guy because I think this might be the first one that's needed. I need to think because I always make a mistake and I don't remember if it's because I do this one first or because I need... Oh yes, you see, I do make a mistake because first with this one you need to apply these, otherwise you cannot reach them. So I'm glad I took a moment to think. I think my phone is getting too hot. It's buffering. I need a new phone, guys. I really do. Okay, so here we are, all finished. I decorated a little bit, not too much, because I'm not very good at decorating. I don't have a barrier right now, because I don't think she can climb very well. But we'll see if I'm gonna regret this later on. There's a bit of water everywhere. That's because I watered the outworld as well, and it's leaked through the barriers, I think, through the sides, because it's not watertight, of course. I'm gonna connect this one first, if I can, because it's a bit of a hassle. With my first setup I only connected it like this because I was afraid I would break it, but it's supposed to be able to connect all the way. But yeah, it's quite a feisty thing to connect. I think I'm gonna leave it like this, or... Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like this. Should be fine. It's stable, so that's the most important part. Okay. And then I'm gonna put this cover on here. Don't ask me why I leave the film on. It's because I don't look inside with red shield, whatever. And now the most important part. Hey girly. So that's why I say I don't think she can climb out, because she cannot really climb on here. I'll be very careful either way. Sorry for the background noise. I don't think there's anything in here, so... So my phone crashed, but we're back. I said she could not climb very well, but she climbed the water tower, so... I guess she can climb if she wants to. Hi. How are you gonna get off? Oh, you're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Oh. She's so cute though. She really is like a small puppy, like a little dog. She's just exploring and walking around, and she was walking on the twig because it's a little bit elevated and stuff. And she was watching me as I gave sugar water, and she didn't come running at me or charging at me or anything. She was just like, oh, what you're doing? She's beautiful. I'm such a cute girl. She has these beautiful golden hairs everywhere as well. They're on her gaster, and they're... Are you gonna explore the nest? Ooh, don't fall. I think it's scary. But on her legs, you can see that gold shimmer. Is she gonna try the sugar water? No? Okay. And she also has those the golden hairs on her gaster. Really beautiful. She's just chilling and exploring. I think it's a big enough outworld for her. Because I was debating between this one and the other one, but I think it's fine. Also curious to see if she can use the jaw drinker. I think she should be able to. There should be water here. Oh, and the setup. This is a Wakooshi bull ant setup, or Myrmecia setup. And you can get 10% off your order with code LIN, which is in capitals. Very simple, just L, Greek I, N, or whatever the way you pronounce that in English. But very simple code, just 4 letters, very easy. Well, I think I'm gonna let her explore. Hope she finds the nest. Hope she likes the nest. And I will keep you all updated on how she's doing. So everybody have a great day, and until next time. And don't forget to check out Ilyas for the ants, Wakooshi for the setup, and the crafting ant for the smiley tray and the jar drinker. And until next time.